Selling clothes on Depop, how to start. So if you want to start selling clothes on Depop, you first have to create a seller account. That's the first and foremost step. Open your browser and search for Depop sell, and once you're here at search, you'll find the first link that says Depop start selling. So you want to go to that link. Then once you've done that, you'll find the sign up option located at the top right hand side, so you can simply click on the sign up option. Over there you'll find all of these continue with this or other options. If you want to link with Apple or Google respectively, you could do that. But you can also click on continue with email option here, and you can enter your potential details like a first name, last name, and once then you can create a username and create a password. Click on the next option from there, and once you click on the next option from there, you'll be able to finish creating a seller account. And after that, you'll ask you for some of your business information if you have a shop or business. Once you filled in those required details, then you will be able to start selling clothes on Depop right after you finish creating your seller account. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.